bacon risotto. Oh, I didn't see you there. Hello, how you doing? So after we crisp up a few thick cut slices of bacon, take them off the heat, and we're going to keep the grease on the side. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 1 medium onion, diced. And let them cook for about 2 minutes. Off to the side, heat up 5 cups of chicken broth. You want it to be hot and ready to go for a few steps from now. Toss in 4 cloves of minced garlic, cook for about 30 seconds. And then we're going to toss in 1.5 cups of Arborio rice. Mix and coat the rice with the butter and onions, all the good stuff. And then we're going to lightly toast the rice. Lightly. So keep mixing. Next up, a tablespoon or 2 of the bacon grease. It will give the rice a light smoky flavor, depending on how much you use. You can also use none if you want to be that person. And now the fun part really starts. Take 1/3 of the already hot chicken broth, add it to the rice. Start your timer and start stirring. Don't stop stirring until we're done. So we're going to heat this on medium-low to medium, depending on how hot your stuff gets. And we're going to stir, stir, stir. Once the broth is incorporated into the rice, you're going to add the next 1/3 of broth. Fun, right? The slight challenge with this is if the heat is too low and you don't heat the broth fast enough, well, first it'll take 40 plus minutes to make this. And even worse than that, by the time you're done, everything will be complete mush. It's not mashed risotto, it's just risotto. And also, if the heat is too high, then the rice will not be cooked completely, so you get some extra crunchy risotto. And nobody wants either of those, so your first third of your broth is your trial round. If it takes more than 8 minutes or so, you definitely need to turn the heat up a little. Also, your broth needs to be hot before adding it. It really saves you some time. This batch took just under 18 minutes, so about 6 per each third. Not bad, right? And that's it. Keep stirring. Broth wave number 2. Final broth wave. And we're looking good. I don't like to overcook the rice, so I take it off the heat when it still has a little liquid left. Toss in 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix it all in there. Finish grating your parmesan. I use about this much. You could say like 1/4 to 1/2 a cup. It depends on how much you're an asshole. It just depends on how much you want. And then save some extra for topping. Plating time. rest of the risotto. Top with some crispy bacon left over. A little round of parsley. And of course some parmesan. Black pepper, obviously. And now we get to enjoy the tasty, creamy, lightly smoky risotto with a hint of garlic. And guess what? The rice is not mush. Has a little bite to it. Perfection. All those stirs got you this. Now enjoy what you've made. And go rest your arm. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all real soon.